Machines continue to improve at an astonishing pace, with new advancements emerging daily that seem to make the idea of the singularity inevitable, bringing humanity ever closer to the edge of extinction. Exciting times, right? But what are some of the top contenders when it comes to replacing humans? We believe these might be the best of the best. Here are 20 of the most remarkable and powerful machines you have to check out. Number 20. Giant Marble Saw. A chainsaw is typically a portable saw powered by gasoline, electricity, or batteries, featuring a chain with teeth that moves along a guide bar to cut. It's a versatile tool used for tasks ranging from tree felling to gathering firewood. Chainsaws are also useful for trimming, bucking, and even creating fire breaks to combat wildfires. Over time, chainsaws have evolved into specialized tools, like those used in chainsaw mills or chainsaw art. They feature custom bar and chain configurations tailored to specific tasks. Additionally, specialized chainsaws are employed in construction projects to cut through concrete, a process that demands accuracy and skill. Chainsaws have even found a niche in ice carving and winter swimming activities in Finland. These examples show just how adaptable this powerful tool can be. The Fontini Group stands out as a leader in the field of stone mining chainsaw machines, consistently pushing boundaries through research and development. Their commitment to innovation and enhancing current technologies has earned them a prominent position in the industry. Number 19. The largest gas platform. The LNG platform, constructed by the Technip Samsung Consortium, was specifically designed for a partnership involving Royal Dutch Shell, Kogas, and Inpex. Owned by Shell plc, the hull of this massive structure was launched in December 2013. It spans 488 meters in length and 74 meters in width, using over 260,000 tons of steel. When fully loaded, the platform weighs approximately 600,000 tons, over 5 times the weight of a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. This enormous facility is the largest of its kind, capable of liquefying natural gas while floating on water, and stands as the largest offshore structure ever built. Back in 2013, analysts projected its cost to be between $10.80 and $12.6 billion USD. By 2014, Shell estimated it would cost about $3.5 million for every million tons of production capacity. However, the actual profitability of the project may have been impacted by rising competition, particularly due to increased gas production in North America through hydraulic fracturing and expanded Russian export capabilities. Though Shell has never disclosed the exact cost, the WA Today News website reported in 2021 that the ship was believed to have cost at least $17.5 billion. Fascinating machines like this are truly impressive. Number 18. Crawler Transporter. NASA utilizes 2 massive tracked vehicles, known as the Crawler Transporters, to move spacecraft from the Vehicle Assembly Building, VAB, to Launch Complex 39. Originally called the Missile Crawler Transport Facilities, they were employed during the Apollo, Skylab, and Apollo-Soyuz missions. Initially, they transported the Saturn IB and Saturn V rockets, and from 1981 to 2011, they were used to carry space shuttles. These crawler transporters also moved NASA's mobile launcher platforms and returned to the launch pad after each mission to bring the platform back to the VAB. Each transporter came with a price tag of $14 million, designed and built by the Marion Power Shovel Company, with components supplied by Rockwell International. At the time of construction, the crawler transporters were the largest self-powered land vehicles in the world. However, they were surpassed in size by the XGC 88,000 crawler crane in 2013. Despite being overtaken in size, other enormous machines, like power shovels, such as the Captain, dragline excavators, like Big Muskie, and bucket wheel excavators, like the Bagger 288, rely on external power sources. Number 17. Komatsu D575A Super Dozer. The Komatsu D575A is a powerful crawler tractor boasting 1,150 horsepower, available in 2 configurations, the Super Ripper and Super Dozer. Both models, equipped with the standard blade, can move 69 cubic meters of material with each pass. With an optional blade, the D575A3 Super Dozer can move up to 96 cubic meters in a single pass. The single-shank ripper on the D575A3 can dig to a depth of 2.06 meters, Manufactured at the Komatsu Limited plant in Osaka, Japan, the D575A series is often regarded as the largest production bulldozer in the world. These massive machines have primarily been used by surface mining operations in the US and Japan, although they've occasionally been employed in quarries and large-scale construction projects. Komatsu first introduced a prototype, the D555A, a 750 kilowatts bulldozer, at the Kexpo Machinery Show in Houston, Texas, in 1981. However, due to the economic challenges of the 1980s, development slowed for much of that decade. The D575A2 Super Ripper, the successor to the D555A prototype, underwent over 1,000 hours of field testing by Cooney Brothers Coal Company in Pennsylvania in 1989. Additional prototype testing may have taken place at Harrison Coal and Reclamation Park in 1991, before full production began. Number 16. Tunnel Boring Machine. The Bertha tunnel boring machine was specifically designed for the Alaskan Way Viaduct Replacement Tunnel Project in Seattle, Washington, under the direction of the Washington State Department of Transportation. Built by Hitachi Zosen Sakai Works in Osaka, Japan, the machine was assembled in Seattle and completed in June 2013. It began tunneling on July 30, 2013, with an expected completion date of December 2015. However, progress was halted on December 6, 2013, after boring 330 meters of the planned 2,830-meter tunnel. The cause of the delay was a previously installed steel pipe used for groundwater testing in the early 2000s. This pipe caused severe damage to Bertha's cutter blades after repeated strikes, and it was later discovered that the machine's main bearing seal system had corroded, leading to overheating. For the next 2 years, the machine's cutter head underwent extensive repairs and partial replacement. In 2015, after damage caused by a moored barge and the appearance of a sinkhole near the project site, tunnel boring was halted in early January 2016 for safety reasons. Governor Jay Inslee temporarily suspended the project after the sinkhole incident on January 14, 2016. Tunneling resumed on February 23 after inspections, but stopped again briefly for additional maintenance before fully restarting on April 29. Bertha finally completed its journey on April 4, 2017, when its cutter head broke through into a pre-existing vault at the tunnel's north portal in South Lake Union. Number 15. Tyson Crane. Known as the most powerful crane in the world, the Tyson crane has a safe working load of 20,000 metric tons. It was built by Dien Hue Heavy Industry specifically for installing massive modules in FPSO, floating production storage and offloading, and semi-submersible projects. The crane is located at the Yantai Raffle Shipyard in Yantai, Shandong Province, China, and has completed the 3 largest lifts ever recorded, weighing 20,033 metric tons, 17,100 tons, and 14,000 tons respectively. Operating the Tyson crane requires about 50,000 meters of wire, allowing it to lift objects to a maximum height of 80 meters. The crane was designed with the goal of mounting extremely large integrated modules onto the hulls of ships, with these modules weighing up to 20,000 tons. In the past, tasks like installation, hookup, and commissioning had to be done on board offshore vessels, where limited access and lower efficiency made the process more difficult. Examples of such vessels include drilling semi-submersibles and FPSOs. With Tyson, both the lower and upper portions of a vessel can be constructed simultaneously, reducing the overall project timeline, increasing manpower by up to 2 million man-hours, and enhancing safety and quality standards. Number 14. Bush Rake TKE 1688 by Erdvark. The heavy-duty dual-purpose Erdvark bush rake is built to handle tough tasks, from raking grass, boulders, and uprooted trees to clearing vegetation 1 to 2 weeks after blade plowing. It's highly effective for gathering soil into windrows for chipping or burning. Designed to withstand Africa's harsh conditions, the tool is also known as a stick rake. Its heavy-duty Erdvark bearings and innovative seal design ensure the wheels and rake pin remain dirt and dust-free, even during regular use. An added bonus, you might not need field lubrication. Erdvark bearing units are factory-sealed and lubricated for long-lasting performance. The bush rake also features an adjustable raking width, which can be modified while in operation, making it a versatile solution for clearing different types of brush and debris. With its powerful design, The Erdvark bush rake is capable of handling both rocks and forest debris with ease. Its advanced steering system allows for smooth navigation around trees and other obstacles, making it incredibly agile and adaptable for various tasks. If you're in need of the perfect tool to tidy up after using a blade plow, straight blade cutter, or bush eater, look no further than the Erdvark bush rake. It's equipped with a tire fill feature designed to prevent flat tires and ensure smooth operation, making it the ideal tool for getting your land clean and organized quickly. Number 13. Scarifier's Disc Trencher. The BRA-226B is the most powerful disc trencher, capable of handling even the most difficult terrain filled with stones and debris. This large machine is designed to attach to heavy equipment and excels in scarification, giving seeds and plants the best conditions for growth. Thanks to its unique design, the BRA-226B can navigate uneven terrain with precision. Its hydraulic system allows the arms to move sideways, and in the case of overload, the disc can rotate on its vertical axis. The trencher connects to load-sensing hydraulics for optimal performance. The machine's control system is built on a PLC platform with C-bus communication, offering a highly user-friendly control panel. Sensors transmit vital information to the system, such as the base machine speed, disc angle, and arm position. Operators can control various functions effortlessly from the cab, where they can choose from 8 customizable operating programs for different tasks. The monitor provides easy access to adjust settings and retrieve data from the scarifier. The control system also tracks several important metrics, including the scarified area, the distance covered by each operator and the team as a whole, and the number of hours spent on the job, making it a highly efficient tool for large-scale land preparation. Number 12. Scania AXL Autonomous Truck. The Scania AXL is a concept truck that operates completely autonomously and does away with the traditional cab. Developed by a multidisciplinary team at Scania, the truck is built on the company's modular architecture, representing a major advancement in autonomous heavy vehicles. As self-driving vehicles continue to change the landscape of transportation, businesses are increasingly looking to these innovations to streamline operations and enhance sustainability. Autonomous vehicle pilots tend to thrive in controlled environments like closed construction sites and mines, which serve as ideal testing grounds for cutting-edge technology. The Scania AXL concept truck is paving the way toward a future where intelligent transportation networks and self-driving vehicles become standard. In the realm of autonomous vehicles, software plays a more vital role than hardware. The Scania AXL relies on an intelligent control system to guide and monitor its movements. For instance, in a mining operation, a logistics system directs the truck on how to function, simplifying autonomous operations and pushing the boundaries of what is possible in transportation. Number 11. Hydraulic forestry. In the forestry industry, heavy hydraulic machinery plays a key role in large-scale harvesting and land clearing, much like in agriculture, to ensure maximum productivity and efficiency. Selecting the right equipment is crucial to maintaining precision and meeting specific goals. The industry depends on powerful hydraulic wood processing machines, ranging from skidders and log loaders to mulchers and feller bunchers, to handle a variety of tasks effectively. Logging machinery endures tough conditions and constant wear, making it essential to equip hydraulic systems with high-quality components. Throughout its history, Rayco has built a solid reputation among distributors and original equipment manufacturers for delivering high-performance products that cater to a wide range of forestry applications. Rayco offers innovative solutions for heavy-duty forestry machines that operate in the toughest environments. To enhance the performance of your hydraulic forestry equipment, pair it with Rayco's slider hose, spiral guard hose protection, and inline swivel. This combination provides unparalleled efficiency and durability, ensuring your machinery operates at its best, even in the harshest condition. Number 10. Roxgon Rator H4. The RGH H4 Rator is a one-of-a-kind deep ripper and rock crusher, now enhanced with hydraulic technology, allowing it to break through tough, rocky soil, hard pan layers, and stumpy paddocks with ease. Introduced in 2015 by Roxgon, the Rator Rock Crusher revolutionized farming in Western Australia, where rocky soil posed significant challenges for farmers. This innovative machine quickly became a must-have on farms, transforming the way land was prepared for cultivation. The Rator's impact was immediate and impressive, earning it 2 major accolades: the Best Australian-Made Machine Award at the York Peninsula Field Days, and the New Release Award at the Newdigate Machinery Field Days. This machine is truly a standout in its field. The Rator operates by being towed behind a vehicle, with its powerful grate gripping the rocky terrain and crushing it into smaller, manageable chunks. Once the Rator has done its work, a roller follows, reducing the debris into finer pieces. It leaves behind rocks no larger than a clenched fist, making even the toughest terrain more workable. After several passes, even the largest rocks are broken down to manageable sizes. With over 130 units sold across Australia, the Rator has been a massive success, significantly improving soil quality and productivity for Western Australian farmers. Built with exceptional craftsmanship at Cuts Engineering in Manjimup, Western Australia, the Reader's robust construction has contributed to its widespread. Number 9. BRA P12A Planter. The BRA P12A planter is designed for use in warm, dry climates and is ideal for forestry on plantations. It can handle both the complete scarification and planting process, or just planting on its own. Optional features include integrated irrigation and fertilization systems, allowing for a more efficient planting process. When equipped with these systems, the BRA P12A creates a planting bed at the bottom of a hole and dispenses granular fertilizer through 2 pipes. A specially designed foot produces the hole, and the seedling is placed at the bottom during planting. Irrigation can be applied using water gel or by spraying water around the seedling. To ensure proper planting beds, the soil may need to be loosened with a scarifier, such as a ripper, in advance. However, the BRA P12A can also be fitted with a subsoiler to prepare the soil at each location, making it a versatile tool for preparing the ground and planting simultaneously. Number 8. Liebherr 9800 Mining Excavator. Liebherr's mining equipment, including the 9800 mining excavator, enables the company to achieve exceptionally high productivity by moving and loading massive amounts of material in minimal time. By blending the proven features of earlier models with new innovations designed specifically for mining, Liebherr enhances the efficiency and reliability of its machinery. Liebherr doesn't just produce mining equipment. It also focuses on fostering strong relationships with the mining operations it supports. The company adheres strictly to industry standards, prioritizing safety in its designs. Liebherr's machinery is engineered to operate safely even in the most hazardous environments, reducing the likelihood of accidents. Additionally, Liebherr's mining machines are designed with extended service intervals and are more environmentally friendly, with lower emissions and reduced fuel consumption, making them both durable and eco-conscious choices for the mining industry. Number 7. Aperture Spherical Telescope. The Aperture Spherical Telescope is a massive radio telescope located in the Dawdang Depression, a natural basin. The telescope, with a 500-meter diameter dish, is the world's largest filled aperture radio telescope, surpassing all others except for Russia's Rutan 600, which is a sparsely filled aperture. This innovative instrument is made up of 4,500 movable metal panels that constantly adjust in real time to form a precise parabolic shape. The system operates with winches that move the cabin holding the feed antenna, which is suspended by cables above the dish. The telescope detects wavelengths ranging from 10 centimeters to 4.3 meters. Originally proposed in 1994, the project was approved by China's National Development and Reform Commission in July 2007. To ensure minimal interference, a small village of 65 people in the valley was relocated, along with an additional 9,110 residents living within a 5-kilometer radius. While the telescope itself cost $180 million to construct, the Chinese government allocated $269 million to poverty alleviation and resettlement assistance. Construction began with a foundation-laying ceremony on December 26, 2008, and the final panel was installed on July 3, 2016. Afterwork began in March 2011. Number 6. Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. It began operating on September 10, 2008, and remains the most recent addition to CERN's accelerator complex. The LHC is a 27-kilometer circular tunnel equipped with powerful magnets and other specialized components that boost particle energy as they move through the accelerator. Within the LHC, two high-energy particle beams travel at nearly the speed of light in opposite directions, racing through separate vacuum-sealed pipes. These conditions create the ideal environment for a dramatic collision between the particles. Superconducting electromagnets, which generate strong magnetic fields, guide the particles on their paths. These magnets are powered by superconducting cables that conduct electricity without resistance or energy loss, making them highly efficient. To achieve this, the magnets must be cooled to an astonishing -271.5 degrees Celsius, colder than outer space itself. This extreme cooling is accomplished by a sophisticated liquid helium distribution system that keeps the magnets and other components at the necessary low temperatures for optimal performance. Number 5. Overburden Conveyor Bridge F60. The F60 series consists of 5 massive conveyor bridges used in open-pit brown coal mining in the Lusatian coalfields of Germany. These gigantic machines, built by the former Webtackraft and Lochhammer, are the largest mobile industrial machines in the world. Their purpose is to transport the overburden, or top layer of soil, away from the coal seam. The F60 refers to the 60-meter cutting height, and these colossal structures have surpassed ships like the Seawise Giant to become the longest vehicles ever created, as well as the largest in physical dimensions. Standing up to 80 meters high, 240 meters wide, and an astounding 5,502 meters long, the F60 is often compared to a horizontal Eiffel Tower. Weighing 13,600 metric tons, it is one of the largest land vehicles ever built, second only to the Bagger 293, a massive bucket wheel excavator. Despite their enormous size, the F60s are operated by a crew of just 14. The first of these conveyor bridges was built between 1969 and 1972 and received a feeder bridge in 1977. The second bridge was constructed from 1972 to 1974, also later receiving a feeder bridge. The third bridge followed between 1976 and 1978, with its feeder bridge added in 1985. The fourth and fifth bridges were completed between 1986 and 1991. Number 4. International Space Station. The International Space Station, ISS, is the largest modular space station in low Earth orbit. It is a collaborative project involving NASA, USA, Roscosmos, Russia, JAXA, Japan, and CSA, Canada, with its ownership and use governed by international treaties and agreements. The ISS serves as a research lab for studying astrobiology, meteorology, physics, and other scientific fields, while also acting as a microgravity and space environment testing ground. It's ideal for testing spacecraft hardware and systems for potential long-duration missions to the Moon and Mars. The ISS program evolved from the 1984 American plan to build Space Station Freedom, combined with the Soviet and Russian Salyut and Mir stations and the American Skylab. It is the 8th space station to be continuously inhabited by humans. The ISS is visible from Earth with the naked eye and is the largest man-made structure in space. To maintain its orbit, the station performs reboost maneuvers using the engines of the Zvezda service module or visiting spacecraft. It orbits the Earth at an average altitude of 400 kilometers, completing one orbit approximately every 93 minutes, resulting in about 15.5 orbits per day. Number 3. Bagger 288. The Bagger 288 is a massive mobile strip mining machine designed and built by the German company Krupp for the Energy and Mining Corporation Rainbrown. This bucket wheel excavator made its debut in 1978, becoming the largest land vehicle in the world at the time, overtaking its predecessor, Big Muskie. Weighing in at 13,500 tons, Bagger 288 was even heavier than Big Muskie. The machine took 5 years to develop and produce, followed by another 5 years to assemble, costing a total of $100 million. In 1995, it was surpassed by the slightly heavier Bagger 293, another bucket wheel excavator. While Bagger 288 is powered by an external source, the F60 holds the record for the largest land vehicle by physical dimensions. However, NASA's Crawler Transporter remains the largest self-propelled land vehicle in the world. Number 2. LeTourneau L2350. The LeTourneau L2350 Generation 2 is the latest version of this massive front-end loader. Available in 3 configurations: regular lift, high lift, and super high lift. The Generation 2L 2350 also incorporates senior hybrid drive technology, which reduces fuel consumption. The super high lift version, with a height of 10.58 meters, has a slightly reduced operational capacity. In 2011, the design was updated with a new arm and bucket with a capacity of 70 cubic yards, specifically designed for the coal industry. The model also received a complete safety overhaul, incorporating the latest safety features. The L2350 boasts a bucket breakout force of 119,631.5 kilograms and a standard operational capacity of 80 tons. Powered by a 16-cylinder turbocharged Cummins QSK60 diesel engine, it generates around 2,300 horsepower. The L2350 uses rubber tires and is equipped with a fuel tank capacity of 1,500 gallons of diesel, consuming about 50 gallons per hour during operation. Number 1. Bell AZ75710. The Bell AZ75710 is the largest mining dump truck ever built, setting a global record in terms of size and capacity. This colossal vehicle measures 20.6 meters in length, 8.16 meters in height, and 9.87 meters in width, with an incredible payload capacity of 496 tons. It made its debut in 2013, powered by two turbocharged diesel engines that together provide a total of 16 cylinders and produce 2,300 horsepower. The Bell AZ75710 reaches a top speed of around 103 kilometers per hour and operates with an electromechanical transmission driven by alternating currents. The Siemens MMT 600 drive system is powered by two MTU 65L 16-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel engines, each generating 2,300 horsepower. These engines are connected to 4 AC traction motors and 2 AC alternators. Fuel consumption stands at 198 gallons per kilowatt, and the truck can run on just one engine when carrying lighter loads. The maximum speed is 64 kilometers per hour, and when fully loaded and climbing a 10% grade, the truck reaches a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour for better fuel efficiency. If your favorite machine isn't listed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop its name in the comments. You can also check out our other videos that are popping up on the screen now.